Need to find the midpoint of a line segment? Well, you're in luck. That's exactly what we're going to do right now. Welcome to Math Bytes. I'm Allison, and today we're talking about the midpoint formula. Let's say you have 2 points in the coordinate plane, P and Q, and P has the coordinates x1, y1, and Q has the coordinates x2, y2. The midpoint M of the line segment PQ has the coordinates x1 plus x2 over 2 and y1 plus y2 over 2. So if you look, what you're actually doing there is taking the mean of the x-coordinates and the mean of the y-coordinates, and that will give you the midpoint of the line segment. Let's do an example using the midpoint formula. Find the midpoint of the line segment with endpoints -5, -2, and 6, 10. Okay, so we'll remember that our midpoint M has the coordinates x1 plus x2 over 2 and y1 plus y2 over 2. Now I'm going to call x1, y1 -5, -2, and x2, y2 6, 10. Now, does it matter which point I call x1, y1 and which point I call x2, y2? Look at the midpoint formula. If I switched which point I called x1, y1 and which one I called x2, y2, would it change the values? Would the arithmetic be different? No, it doesn't matter. You can call whichever one you want x1, y1, you just call the other one x2, y2. Your answer will be the same. So plugging in, we get -5 plus 6 over 2 and -2 plus 10 over 2. -5 plus 6 is 1, so that gives us 1 over 2. And -2 plus 10 is 8, so we have 1 over 2 and 8 over 2. And that gives us the coordinates 1/2 and 4. So the midpoint of this line segment is at 1/2, 4. The midpoint formula is easy to use, but remember the answer is not a single value, it's a coordinate pair. The midpoint formula gives you a location in the coordinate plane. That's it for this episode of Math Bytes. If you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel. And if there's something you'd like to ask us, just send us an email. We're at contactmathbytes@gmail.com, and we will see you next time.